Print and then go to the तो उसका नेटवर्क तो है ट्यूब पर चारों चले ऐड करके ट्यूब पर जाते हैं random varying they will like it. Okay, so for how many time we should run the first loop? Three times. Three times. Why? Three tube. But you are trying to make it vertical, na? First loop, how many time you should run? Four. Yeah, four. Why? Number of balls in each. Yeah. Can you explain that to this guy? He is still confused. The outer loop is not going through the tube itself. When you are printing one line. In the line, you are printing the first element of ball, a first element of the first list, then the first element of the second list, then the first element of the third list. So what is the maximum is four. So outer loop should be four, right? So for ball in, or since we are going in index, so I will say for in. Okay. You can understand the difference between I and ball here, right? I is basically ith ball, okay. First ball, second ball, third ball, okay. And ball will fetch the color itself, R, B, okay. Okay. So for in, range 4. I guess we are running late. Okay. So what should I do? First I should put the tube number, okay. So it is print I comma, and should be what? And should be, yeah, double space or maybe tab. We can do tab because it will fix all the that indentation thing. Okay, so tab, and then yeah, this will give me 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh no, we don't want this. How many tube we want? Three. Okay, so we should fetch the length of the level. Then only we can get a number of tubes, right? Okay, so here instead of running this first to write a number of tubes, I should go len, then level. Yeah, now it will always work for any level. Okay, if I'll give level 7 also, it will work, right? Then I should print some underscore under this. So how can I put underscore most effectively? Should I run one loop again? Is there any better way? Underscore into 3. Good. But how you will know it is 3? Sorry, then level. Okay, so I should print underscore into len of level. Right? But we should give this spacing also. Yeah, so underscore backslash t. Okay, if you will see this directly in some code underscore backslash t, then it can be confusing. Okay, but go step by step. Okay, first I added one underscore, then I added one tab. Okay, so levels is not defined. Good, level is defined. Yeah, but we should put one new line also, then print. So whenever you are writing a code, you have to go with this process of iterations again and again. Okay, okay. Now you can simply print this RRB, then RR, then BB, then B. Right? So for that, you should make a one more this loop. Leave it, I already made that. I'll just copy paste. Where is it? You guys understand the concept, right? How you have to work a problem, solve a problem.
Yeah, this display function is finally what we'll get. Okay, we'll run again and then tube and then less than len because it will give the error. Okay, and then this. So same thing we can do. Uh, this we can directly put in display. Okay, now if I will display level, then it will say RRB, RRBB, and B. Okay.
Then instead of for I in range 4, we can write len of max of level. It will be more generic. Len of max of level. Or max of len of. But you have to delete.
You have to do.
Iteration.
You have to take a one tube and then you have to find that max. Okay. Okay. Well, these things you can do later. Okay. So now display problem solved. Now the input problem. Okay. Someone asked this in that also. Uh, okay. It's already 7. Someone asked this in feedback also, that infinite loop problem. Okay. So how you will make an infinite loop?
While loop. While loop.
Okay, so while loop will run until the condition is true. Okay, and if you will give, for example, if you will say 2 greater than 1, then it will run forever because 2 will be always greater than 1. Right? Right. Or you can directly give while true. Okay. So this is while true for I and range len. Well, we can do this later. First, we should take the input. Okay, so what inputs we should take? What you will ask from the user?
Selection of ball.
Selection of tube and where to transfer the ball.
Yeah, so first from tube and second is
To which tube?
yeah. So from tube and to tube, right? So first I should ask from tube int input enter from tube and then to tube input to tube. Okay, this we should ask, right? So first it will give the first tube 3, then the second tube. Okay, 3 is not valid response here. So let's say I want to move one more B from 0 to 2. Okay, so I'll give 0 and then 2. Okay, now if I'll say from tube, then okay, so from this example we can see that it is case sensitive. Okay, from tube is 0 and to tube is 2. Okay, okay. Now we can make a move function. Can we make a move function?
Yes.
Yeah. So move function should take yeah. What parameters?
Round from this tube, then to this tube, and then the list you I modified.
Okay. So level from and to tube. This is not necessary that this should be same as the variable. Okay, you can put something else also, like para or here from to para. Okay, you can keep it same also, but it will be in local scope of function. So it will not affect whatever value you will give in the global scope. You guys know local and global scope? Okay, so if you will change level here, then even if it is named from tube, it will not change inside the function. It will only work on the argument whichever argument you will provide. Okay, okay. So what should be the code for this?
Like, how's this thing is coming, like the gray thing.
That is
That is the AI thing. Leave it. Okay, so we made it here, no? So already 5 minutes. हो जाएगा कोई नहीं.
AI. Selected equal to level.
We can write in one line only, no? Then. Okay, so we can directly pop it and append it. Okay, so we will say level para का हाँ ओके ये है ना
पर ये चिकन है ना पहले इतना ज्यादा है अच्छा
हाँ leave it. Okay, now I can move from tube to tube.
No.
Yeah, level also I have to give, so level. Okay, so these are parameters and these are argument when I am calling the function. Okay. I'll move it, then display the level. Okay, now this B also shifted from this tube to this tube. Okay, fine. Now can you make game? You just have to ask again and again from the user from tube to tube and display it again and again. Okay, and to do it infinitely, you should use infinite loop like while true. Okay, so in a while loop, if you will ask from tube and to tube, and then move that from tube to tube, and then display it again, then it will. Okay, first you should display